Next steps in your VMware Cloud career. As cloud computing continues to evolve, VMware Cloud skills are in high demand, offering professionals a path to career advancement, specialization, and leadership in multi-cloud and hybrid cloud technologies. Whether you're an IT administrator, cloud architect, or network engineer, mastering VMware Cloud opens doors to high-paying roles, enterprise-level responsibilities, and cutting-edge innovations in cloud infrastructure, automation, and security. This final lesson will guide you through the next steps in your VMware Cloud career, covering certifications, hands-on experience, industry trends, and career growth opportunities. Strengthening your VMware Cloud expertise. Building deep technical expertise in VMware Cloud requires continuous learning and real-world practice. Key areas to focus on include hybrid and multi-cloud strategy, understanding how VMware Cloud integrates with AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Networking and security, mastering NSX-T, microsegmentation, firewalls, and compliance automation. Automation and AI-driven cloud management, learning VMware Aria Operations for cost optimization, workload placement, and self-healing infrastructure. Kubernetes and modern applications, gaining experience with VMware Tanzu for containerized workloads. To solidify your skills, consider building personal lab environments using VMware Workstation, ESXi, or VMware Hands-on Labs, which provide real-world scenarios to test and apply your knowledge. Earning VMware certifications for career growth. VMware certifications are globally recognized and demonstrate expertise in virtualization, cloud computing, and networking. Some valuable certifications include VMware Certified Professional Data Center Virtualization (VCP-DCV) for foundational vSphere skills, VMware Certified Professional Cloud Management and Automation (VCP-CMA) for cloud automation expertise, VMware Cloud on AWS certification for hybrid cloud deployments, VMware NSX-T certification for multi-cloud networking and security. Earning these certifications validates your skills and enhances your career opportunities in cloud engineering, architecture, and IT leadership roles. Exploring VMware Cloud career paths. With VMware Cloud expertise, you can pursue roles such as Cloud Administrator, managing VMware-based hybrid cloud environments, Cloud Architect, designing multi-cloud infrastructure for enterprises, VMware Solutions Engineer, advising clients on VMware Cloud implementations, Site Reliability Engineer (SRE), automating cloud operations and optimizing performance, Security Engineer, implementing NSX-T security policies, firewalls, and compliance automation, keeping up with industry trends and innovations. The VMware Cloud ecosystem is continuously evolving. Stay ahead by following VMware blogs and technical resources, keeping up with vSphere, vSAN, and NSX updates, engaging in the VMware community, networking with VMware user groups, VMUG, and attending VMware Explore conferences, exploring multi-cloud and edge computing, understanding how VMware Cloud supports AI, machine learning, and 5G applications. Final thoughts. Your VMware Cloud journey does not end here. It is just the beginning. By continuously learning, practicing, and staying updated on cloud innovations, you will establish yourself as an expert in hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Whether you pursue advanced certifications, leadership roles, or specialized cloud technologies, VMware Cloud offers limitless career opportunities in the evolving digital landscape. Thank you for joining this course on Mastering VMware Cloud. Keep learning, keep innovating, and build the future of cloud computing.